In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed an iframe in Notion. A quick and easy task that takes just about 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to incorporate a video, an interactive map, or another type of engaging content, embedding an iframe effortlessly enhances your Notion pages. So let's dive right into it. First, you need to obtain an embed or shareable link from the site or app where your content resides. This is a crucial step because having the correct link ensures your iframe loads correctly in Notion. To do this, navigate to the desired content on the website or app and search for the share button or link that's typically labeled as copy embed code or share link. With your link ready, let's head over to Notion. Once you're in Notion, go to the page where you want your iframe to appear. If you haven't yet created a page for this, you can always do so quickly by selecting New Page from the Notion sidebar. Now that you're on your Notion page, it's time to type the command that starts it all. Simply type a / and the word embed so it reads embed. This is a useful shortcut that brings up the option to embed external content into your page. After typing embed, a prompt will appear where you can paste your previously copied link. Click inside that text box, paste your link, and then hit enter. You'll notice that Notion begins to load the content associated with your link. This may take a moment depending on the type and source of the content, but you'll soon see your embedded content appearing right on the page. Now that your iframe is visible, you might want to adjust the size to suit your needs better. Notion conveniently allows you to resize the embed box directly on the page. Simply hover over the edges of the box, click, and drag to adjust its dimensions. This customizable feature ensures that your embedded content appears as prominently or discreetly as you like, making it an efficient way to tailor the appearance of your Notion pages. And there you have it. A fully embedded iframe in your Notion workspace in just a few quick steps. This technique is a fantastic way to make your Notion pages more dynamic and engaging, allowing you to consolidate information from various resources all in one convenient place. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you in your Notion endeavors. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to check out more of our content for additional tips and tricks. Have a great day.